Hello everyone, welcome to Master Azerbaijani word of the day. Today's word is ucuz. Ucuz. Ucuz can mean cheap, inexpensive, or low cost. Let's see some phrases. Cheap ticket, inexpensive choice, low cost flight. Let's see what do they mean in Azerbaijani. Ucuz bilet, bilet is ticket. Ucuz seçim, seçim is choice, option. Ucuz uçuş, uçuş is flight. Uçmak, infinitive form to fly. Uçuş is flight. I already taught you how to say expensive in the previous days, so today's is ucuz. Let's use this in some sentences. Ben ucuz bilet axtarıram. I am looking for a cheap ticket. Ben, I, axtarıram, am looking. Ucuz bilet, cheap ticket. Axtarmak, infinitive form, to look for. Axtarır, he is or she is looking for. Axtarıram, I am looking for. Now, another sentence. Bu ucuz seçim bizim üçün uyğundur. This inexpensive choice or option is suitable for us. Bu ucuz seçim. This inexpensive choice or option. Bizim üçün, for us. Uyğundur, suitable. Uygun, suitable. Uyğundur is suitable. Right? That was today's word ucuz. We can use it in some ways, some fun ways like this. Even though it was pretty ucuz, it had that premium feel and look. There are some items that makes you feel like that, right? Like a bargain. All right. Thanks for watching. Come back tomorrow for a new word. Until then, check masterazerbaijani.com. Bye-bye.